Hello, my name is Lana Rockdy Wild, and in this video I'm cleaning up my yard in Delta Junction. Here we have a camper for sale, so I'll have to measure how wide it is right there to make sure people will know if it'll fit in the back of their truck. And then this is the road, and that comes in off of a paved road. So, you know, it's dry right now. There's no mud. There used to be a muddy section. Perfect time to come pick up the home of your dreams. And, you know, it's got these jacks right here. A friend of mine helped me, but that was so a long time ago. I don't even know how those jacks work, but I'm sure we can figure it out. And then, yeah, water bottle. There's no food or any badness in here, so it just smells like old material. It's good. It's nice in here. I'd sweep it up. Right here, we have a beautiful rack, and it is 4 foot by 2 foot. And right here, the fitting is 1.5 inches, and there's a hole here. It is in great shape. It's not even rusty. And yeah, get ready for hunting season. Imagine a moose hindquarter in there, or even right now, probably time to go to Chitna. Throw this on the back of your four-wheeler, start fishing. Come grab the rack of your dreams. And this is located in Delta Junction. Thank you very much. Yeah. Hello. Here I'm getting the tongue and groove done, and I found the best way to pound them together is to let it float a little bit off of the rafters. So I'll put the screws in like back here, and right here don't have as many screws. That way it's not like against the rafters. It pounds. I could like flex it around and line it up easily. Oh, I can't wait to finish though. Tongue and groove is difficult to some degree as far as trying to pound it all together. But once you get it all in, it sure is pretty. They're 12-foot sections, but I cut them into 6-foot sections because it was too hard to put a whole 12-foot piece in. Like right here, you could see I lined up the groove, so it's cool. I like it. Where else did I do that now? Oh yeah, right there. Yeah. So pretty. I'm gonna sand it and then put the varnish on it. I don't know if it's called varnish. It's something I bought. Oh, look at it. This is my yard in Fairbanks right here. I came back with a load of stuff and cut the grass down so I could unload the truck. It was raining a lot, so I got a bunch of rocks and piled it on top of the sand that the cement stones for my house is built on. Prevent the erosion. Went back to Delta to get another load of stuff and take down the wall tint. For a long portion of this video, I'm flipping and moving a cement block. It's about 200 pounds. And I moved it to Fairbanks and used it to build my addition. I didn't need it on this house because I only used 5 cement blocks on the house in Delta Junction. So yeah, and right here I'm taking down the wall tint, and I put the wall tint up in Fairbanks. And right here I moved all of these logs to Fairbanks also. Yeah, so the part where I'm flipping the cement blocks coming up, I think it goes for like 30 minutes, just me trying to get this block loaded up into the truck. So, and then it ends with the photo of where the block sits at this time. And there was some smoke jumper that's a workout person now, and I was pretending I was him. I'll have to look up his name. Okay, I found it. His name is David Goggins, and he runs and says awesome quotes and makes funny sentences. I like it, about how not to be weak.
We can do this! I hope. I don't know. Okay, there's no such thing as I don't know. We can do it. And kind of getting head rushes, too much sugar. But just take some deep breaths. Could I even get my finger under it? No. Damn, almost got a head rush just from that. Better be careful, don't fall over. Head rush. Let me see. Everybody say, I believe in La'ana be wild. Okay, the worst that can happen is I fall over. I don't think I'm going to get a heart attack, I hope. I might black out, though. Okay, what am I going to put under there? Let's see. I don't know if I can lift it that high. Okay, a piece of lumber. Come on, baby. Put it on that side. Other side, then. Go. There we go. Okay. I think that's enough. I'm hyperventilating. We can do this! Okay, don't say no. I just feel like I'm out of shape. I don't know if I can actually do this. Not a big deal. Do it till you black out. Make it fun. Drop it on them ants. You don't want them on your house anyway. Get out and get them out. Ugh, cramps. 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 Just a sign of weakness leaving the body. Yeah. I don't know if I need my fingers under there. It looks real flat, real flat. Sometimes you just need a tool. It's all about the tool. Don't break. Okay. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Ooh, ooh. Don't give up the fight. Ah, yeah. Woo! Feel it. What it is. It shall not have a name. Woo! I thought I couldn't do it. Boom! Boom, 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 boom. Don't ever forget, it's all in your mind. Let's see, should I put this? I drank coffee. That should help. And remember, pain is just weakness leaving the body. Flip it real good. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Watch the toe. Oh shit, I can't do that. Got a wee bit of dizzy there. Okay, but dizziness is just weakness leaving the body. Yes! I'm gonna need the tool again. The tool. It comes in handy. Come on, baby. Just talk yourself through this. We can do this. Breathe. It's all about getting oxygen to your muscles. Gotta keep the lungs working. Gotta protect the back. Bend at the knees. Closest to the center of gravity. Breathe. Push. Bam! Every time it works. Jump in again. Jump in. Get over it. Get the animal in you. Yeah. Boom. You can see you need the tool. Sometimes you just can't get your finger under it. Plus, I will be dropping it this way. Get under there, baby. Get in. Oh, there we go. Breathe. Center of gravity. Bend at the knees. Protect the back. Get your shoulders in the right place. Boom. Every time it works. Hurting your lawn a wee bit? Not too bad. Sorry, my little lawn. You know I love you. I love you a long time. We got it every time. Dropping it again. It's gonna be a little bit hard getting that track on your ass. Don't get the track on your ass. Boom. Yeah, feeling just a wee bit right here, not too bad. Kind of enjoy it, actually. It's like getting high.
Yes! Loosen it up now. Loosen it up.
too. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. It's all going. It's all going downhill. Is there a way? There is a way. There's always a way. Ooh, get it up. And that's what she said. Get it up! Keep your hands under. Okay. Ouch! It didn't work that time. What's going to happen now? Is this a standstill? I don't know. Let's just think. How much thinking? Not enough work though. It's all about keep moving, baby. Use the good old beaver snaring tool. Make it happen, make it happen. Don't want to go that way, so push it back. It's too late. It's the wrong way. Is it possible? No, don't come off. Oh yeah, the dog stopped it. We'll push it up this hill. Come on, baby. Just a wee inch after is all we're asking. That's all I'm asking. From the earth to the gravity. Just give me an inch. Yeah! You're giving it to me, baby! Get it! Get it! Stop the bird from walking. You can do it! Believe in yourself! Sweat is nothing. Sweat is nothing. You can do it! Don't let it go too sideways. It's a little more spin on you. Don't let it spin, don't let it spin. Cramping! Cramping. Cramping. Don't come off that side. Okay. That's what I think. Come on, babe.
You could do it. Work it. Work it up the hill. Work it. Big old block. No! What? I was singing to you too. Why? This is just... I can say this is not how the pyramids was built, I'm guessing.
Defy me. No? What's going on? It is trying to defy you. Holistic. Oh shit. Oh, don't give up, man. I just need to get it on there. Get it on there. I want it to work out anyway. I wanted it. I wanted this workout. It's raising my eyes and it's stinging, and that's what I wanted. Once you flip it, you gotta put your weight on it and hold it. Come on. Okay, I don't know. Let's see what you're doing. Okay, do it like this. It fucking went into the dirt down there when it slid. You can't get it out of the fucking dirt. Don't give up. This is when the times are getting tough. Every step you gotta be in control of. Like this moment, this one. You want this. Don't drop it too soon. There's always something you could do maybe. You know, it won't go. So yeah, drop it. But if you could hold the bottom when it falls to prevent it from sliding. That's what I need. Hold the bottom. But you take the weight every time. And just keep doing that. Oh wait, shit, you can't just pick it up like that. You gotta get the center of gravity right. wish. Let's see. It's gonna fall that way again after this. What could we do? Okay. Pretty pulled out now. This bit. Get me there. Okay. Slide. Okay. It's gonna want to slide. So you get on it. Get on it. Don't let it start. Don't slide. So now, getting your foot out here, I guess. You could do this. You don't have a hand whip again. It's not hard. I mean, it's not easy. So I'm gonna grab it. Like your hands together. Could you do it with your hands together? Your legs all weird. Just don't hurt your back. No. I got a wee bit dizzy that time. I could use it. I was using this ladder though. That again. I can't do it because it's not low enough to the ground. I'm too short. There's no way I'm gonna lift it. I almost did. But I'm gonna get it up there. You're gonna go up there. Just finesse. Keep it. Walk it. It's just a few inches at a time. That's all we're asking from the universe. And always, always, always keep something on it. Like your foot. Because once it gets going, it's fucking sliding. Okay. Then put your foot on this, and on this, and then push. And push. Okay. And then foot on that. No mistakes this time. And feet on both boards to hold them down. And up, up. Okay. Up, up. Okay. Ah, no! Don't fucking slide! You little whore. Okay. You're going up. Don't go down the fucking board. Get up there! Get your foot on it. It wants to go that way now. There's something on the fucking way over here. It's that log. It's the fucking log. Oh, something. And now it's gonna go sideways. Up there, baby! Keep on this and do this. That actually worked. No, do not let this baby go. This fucking log is on the way, though. Here's what's stopping everything. It's on your fucking way. Okay, because you can't... Yeah, it was helping for a while, but it needs to stop. Okay, you can't go that way. Maybe you gotta fucking put it over here. I think it still needs help, though. Don't go down, you fucker. Okay, don't celebrate too early. You're not there yet. Get on this truck. This is where it wants to slide, babe. We believe. We believe. It's just a few inches at a time. That's all. It's getting harder. That's because it's going up and you're pushing the whole way of it. You can't get traction. What are you going to do? Oh, it's against this too. Any kind of friction is going to slow it down. Maybe pull it back a wee bit. Try! Could you flip it? No, I can't. I already tried. Come on. Get up there! It's getting against this again. slows it down a lot. Okay, if you're gonna pull this out, you gotta stand up here and stop it. So you don't have to lie down. Soon, we could do something momentous. I believe I'm pushing the whole truck. I wanna go. Can we pick this up? What if this went down and I pull this out?
It just occurred to me to use the ratchet strap.
Fucking whore.
Yeah, I remember I was getting mad because my pants was falling down too.
Oh, that was easy. Give me something harder to do, please. That's what I was thinking the whole time.
Driving down the road. Logs and cement blocks and building material. Freedom. Freedom is good. Thank you for watching my video. Next I'll be posting the addition I'm building with this material I took from Delta Junction and brought it to Fairbanks. Delta Junction is the property I first bought and the first house I built. And now I need to finish the flooring in Delta Junction house.